Okay, so we need to remove these plates on the back of the case. I remove at least 2 plates to install the GPU here. Alrighty, once you remove the plates, you need to slide in the motherboard and place it in the PCI slot on the motherboard. Make sure you will place it securely, and then once you have it placed in, you need to screw it back in on the side so that it will not move. Well, I run in some major issue with the graphics card. What I did is that I updated the driver first. I have the HDMI connected on the HDMI on the motherboard, and then once I have everything updated, I have the GPU running. So you have to update first the graphics card, the NVIDIA graphics card. Then once you have it updated, you need to restart or reboot your computer after.